Hello everyone, greeting from the Costa del Sol. This is Santiago, Llera, and today I have a very special video for you. Me and my videographer, we did the tour all along the coast with this beautiful drone, DJI. The reason why we did this is because to keep you updated with all the clients and my subscribers who work with me and about new developments, to see an update of how the construction is going, how the coast is developing. We shoot in the Estepona area, in Marbella area, all along the Mijas area. We will cover with the car and we're doing shootings for you to see the progress of the development on the coast, and we will see you the same way. I haven't been in La Gaspara for a while, this western side of Estepona, and I'm very impressed how much they advanced. There are a lot of developers. I think every big Spanish developer have a project here in Estepona West. It's moving very fast. As you can see in the drone shots, Malacay, the new development, will be delivered very soon. Sunset Culmia, Sunset Bay Phase 3 is already under construction. There is a new Aldi just inaugurated not long ago, and we have a lot going on here. I'm very happy to see the whole neighborhood to progress, because this is the natural growth of the Estepona city on the western side. Let's have a look to the Selwo area in the New Golden Mile, Estepona East. We are heading there now. Still, first thing I mentioned that this exit to Selwo is still a bit rough. We're gonna stop by the hospital parking, and that's where we're gonna shoot the drone, and I will show you all the new developments that is going on right now. Aedas is one of the biggest developers here. They have so much land. We also have Gilmar developing Balcón del Mediterráneo. We have a new release just last week from Aedas, a project called Banyan Park, and I'm interested in seeing the plot where it is located and to see the construction progress, all the other Aedas projects over there. We are gonna drive here around and shoot about La Campana part of Nueva Andalucía in Marbella. This is the part of Marbella which is closer to the beach and have a couple of new development going on, especially Albatros 14 and 15. They are the ones who are more interested right now in prices. And if you would like to be next to the Gulf Valley and have a brand new property with an interesting price, probably this is the location that is more interesting right now. It has this residential feeling. I see there is a new Eroski, new supermarket, and a couple of new restaurants and shops around. So the area is developing in a good way. We're driving around Los Monteros now, and I am absolutely impressed with the progress of this area. I remember coming up here in Marbella Heights, and most of the clients were not feeling very comfortable about this location. But because of all the villas that we have now, because of the beautiful real estate, element was finished, Med Blue is looking absolutely amazing. And especially at this time of the day when we came for the shooting during the sunset, this location is looking really attractive right now for what it is. The prices are not that low. The prices we are talking about, starting price Origin, which is the latest new development that was released, we are talking about the 400,000 or 500,000 for a new apartment, 2 bedrooms. And Quintessence, it's around 700 right now. But a new release will come in the future in the new development Med Blue. This one you see in the drone shots that we are turning right now. And Metro Bacesa is a great builder, so it's a good opportunity. If you like sea views and if you like this tranquility kind of urbanization, residential area in the heights, it's a good thing. We had a lot of fun shooting this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you would like to know more information about the Costa del Sol, if you're looking to invest in the real estate here, feel free to contact me. My name is Santiago Llera. I'm a local real estate agent, and you can contact me with the link here down below. Bye then. See you in the next video.